How to fix Discord not opening on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to check is if you have stable internet connection or not. For that, open your settings. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, open this option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Click on Forget this network and rejoin it. In the case you are using mobile data, open the option Mobile Service. Open the option Mobile Data Options. Toggle off for the option of Low Data Mode and make sure you are connected to 4G or 5G. Once you check this, also you can switch the network. In the case you are using Wi-Fi, switch to data, and in the case you are using data, switch to Wi-Fi. Now heading towards the solutions, first you can toggle on for this option of airplane mode for a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds and disable it. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Open your app store. Search for the app Discord. After app appears, if you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. Updating might also fix your problem. Heading towards next solution, open the option of settings. Scroll down, open the option general. Scroll down, open the option iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Likewise, head towards the app Discord, open it. You'll see the option of upload, click on it. Click on upload app. After you upload the app, again click on reinstall app. After you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Lastly, you can give a fresh restart to your device that might fix the problem. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix Discord not opening on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.